Alright guys, in this video I will basically show you how to save $1,400 on rebuilding your own fan drive motor, which is located right there. And there's two kind of models, one with the screw-on filter and one like mine, the older one, that has a cartridge filter. So you unscrew this one and there's a cartridge inside, like a filter itself. This is, I guess, the different version, and this version right here, it's $1,400 at the dealer for a new one. So today we're gonna replacing the O-ring. It's bad and we need to replace it. So first we need to drain the coolant and we gotta take the radiator out. So I removed this bolt. This one bolt came out from here. I removed one of the coolers. Now this bolt nut comes out and this picks up. We gotta remove this hose and the two hoses on the side. Before that, you drain the coolant from here. Use the finger to clog this one because it's gonna be leaking all over, and simply move this hose out of the way. Yeah. Now you move the air box, and you got it. No, not this one, right there.
This нахуй, снимем совсем нахуй.
This one. This clamp. He's moving the hoses. I'm using the fiber to pick up this little bit so we can get the hoses loose. They're loose, both. This is easy. You got those loose. Two of them, okay, good. Whew, that's a lot of dirt. That's why I couldn't see the other bolt. As you can tell, there's another bolt right there in the corner, right there. It's all covered with all this dirt. See it right there? There we go. There's another one that holds this metal bracket. It'll be easy to remove all these hoses. There's one more bolt right there to hold this cover. Yep. I gotta remove this bolt. There's another bolt right there that somebody already removed. Right there. So we gotta remove this thing. I tam jest hydraulic fluid. Yes. See, this is moving. There's another bolt right there. There gotta be one on the bottom. You see, there's one right there. Now that we got the hoses loose. Oh, there's one more hose right there. Tam jeszcze jest hose.
Sure?
Yeah, jeszcze jeden. There's another hose right there. Right here. You're not gonna get two. It's right there. Somehow you gotta get it to it. Now to get to this last hose, you gotta remove these two bolts to get this metal bracket out of the way. It makes it a lot easier and quicker. This one right there. What size is this? Yes, ganiec z drugą strony. This is the 40 Torx. Remove these two suckers and the bracket inside. You remove. This is your bracket for your coolant reservoir, and then you can get to the hoses here. When you think you got all those hoses, you remove two of them. This one and two on the other side. There's one more right there. Yeah, disconnect. No one goes by. So this is intercooler. This is your coolant right there, this part, and then this one is for the hydraulic fluid. Now we have the fan exposed, so we can take those 4 screws, 10 mil, remove the fan, and we can get hopefully to the shaft and see the actual seal that's leaking. All right, this fan gonna come off. All right. And this looks kind of like an 18, but it's not. This is standard. So whatever it's equal to 18 in standard. And it's 3/4. There you go. So 3/4. And with this thing, hopefully we're gonna try to use the impact and see if this comes out. Yeah, impact. Powietrze. Where was our leak? Right there. See this O-ring? This O-ring is broken. There is no blacha. Nie blacha. See, the O-ring is shut. Oh, there you go. See right there? You gotta Oh, we actually have to. Those two hoses removed. There's one more right there.
No,
There you go. Right there. No, it's good. I got it. What is this? 5/8.
Надень на голову, будешь крутить. Положи, чтобы...
Now we got the 14. Oh, I guess there is nuts on the bottom. Oh boy. Yep, you gotta hold it from the bottom. Those two screws, I removed one. You gotta simply move there's like a cotter pin that goes inside. I'll show you. This is what the bolt looked like right there. So you gotta move the cotter pin out and then you can unscrew it. Now you gotta remove it from this hole. You gotta move it just right and there we go. It's out. Oh, no, nie leży tutaj, na ziemię. Tutaj na ziemię. Widzisz. I teraz we're gonna figure out if we can rebuild this. Most likely, yes. Gotta remove these 4 bolts. We got those 4 bolts removed. Alright. And this piece should come apart. Alright, let's see. They say it might be not serviceable. I believe we can rebuild this. Let's take this with the hammer or something here. It's coming here. There you go. Just step it a little bit. It's almost there. I'm gonna just step this a little bit. I Gideon, przynieś od razu tą papier, to wiesz, to na olej. Oil absorber pad. Dziękuję. Now this, when it come out, this is your hydraulic fan cooler. This comes out. You can see the seal is shut right there. I take this apart. There we go. On the shaft is a little rusty, and the O-ring, it's gone. So
Не трогай, как было, так положи нахуй.
It's the same way, Gideon. The other side has like the special thing, see? For lubrication, so it goes this way. Yeah. Now this, you flip this, and this is the O-ring right there. And the seal is right there. I already removed the old seal right there. That seal, it's between $25 to $30. It's actually $32 for this exact seal. Here's your number right there. And if you're trying to save money by replacing part, the dealer wants to charge you $1,400. And you still gotta remove it to change it. I'm suggesting to do as I did. Take the 4 bolts right here. Check the back. Here's one O-ring. This one is good and it's actually soft. I changed it. I checked it. And simply order the seal. And $1,400 saved. As you can see, here's the part numbers, and I'll show it to you at the end of the video. Those numbers that you can buy. There's probably like 4 or 5 different places online, including eBay, and you can buy these seals at.